The temperature rises 1 62/100 degrees Celsius. An hour later, it rises another 0 75/100 degrees Celsius. 2 hours later, it rises another 0 75/100 degrees Celsius. What is the total rise in temperature? So the total is the altogether I'm finding, so I'm going to combine. I'm going to put a mini place value chart to represent all three of the numbers, representing the rise all three times. I want to point out that there is a number here that says 2 hours later, and that is representing the hours later and is not part of my calculation. When I add the numbers together, I get 12, 21, and 3. So the answer then is 3 12/100, carefully selecting, noticing that 2 12/100 is here, also 12/100, so I must carefully select my answer choice to avoid a careless mistake.